Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose connection and sharing. Now click on printing. And from here you can select system printing service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to download a different service though, you need to click on this sweater, go back and tap on add service. Then install the preferable one, in my case HP one. And when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Then click one more time and tap on your service here. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!